Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Apple ID. So to do that on your PC, all you have to do is go to this website called appleid.apple.com. Alright, so once you're on this website, over here you can see the option for create your Apple ID. Just click over here. Alright, so over here you have to fill in these details, so I'm just going to do that. And over here select your country, your birthday as well, and you have to create an Apple ID, and confirm your password. Okay, so after you have filled in your details such as phone number, you'll get an option verify the phone number and email as well, and after that just click on continue and your Apple ID will be created. That is how you can create an Apple ID from your desktop. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.